Good morning, guys! Welcome to this weekly vlog. So, good morning. It's early and dito tayo sa may balcony. Ayan, where you can see the view. Maganda kasi yung lighting dito. This week kasi, maraming holidays. Si God Quezon City Day, Ninoy Aquino Day, and National Heroes Day. So, I thought I'd do a weekly vlog kasi I'll be spending a lot of time at home. Ganyan, spending time with Martin. And I also have an upcoming restaurant opening hosting. So, I thought I'd do a weekly vlog. Kasi normally, I just go to work Monday to Saturday. So, wala naman masyadong interesting to vlog. But this time, ayun, I think it's a perfect time to vlog para lang, you know, you get to see then how Martin and I are doing in our new home, adjusting to married life, mga routines namin. Na-miss ko rin mag-vlog. I haven't been uploading vlogs that much kasi it's been very busy. So, ngayon, at least maraming days off work so I can vlog. Good morning! Welcome to the weekly vlog.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to my office. Feel free to look around and yeah, feel at home.
Ito na yung look around.
Yan na. Mga 1 inch yung nagad.
That's his office.
That's livelihood.
Pero nung blessing namin, nakakatuwa kasi binless pa to ni Father. Kasi sabi niya, oh, ito yung place of work mo. Sige, bless natin para more blessings daw.
It was blessed in the name of Jesus and Joseph, the carpenters.
Ang dami ni Joseph. The carpenters.
Hindi, dalaw sila mag-ama. The carpenters, hindi yung bandahan. Because they are both carpenters.
So let's turn on the lights inside the condo and let's make breakfast. This is my space, the kitchen. I'm always there cooking. Ayan. Ginagawa lang yung mga lights. I'm gonna make cabbage and potato skillet. Kasi literal, wala na laman yung fridge namin. Ito na lang yung vegetable ko. Cabbage. And I have 2 potatoes. So, wala rin akong choice. Yun lang yung maluluto ko for breakfast. But first, let's make some coffee before we make breakfast. Kasi, naantok pa ako. So, this is my espresso machine. Gift din to sa akin ni Martin. And I love this kasi whenever we have guests over, nagiging siyang parang conversation piece. Guests are like, oh, meron kayong espresso machine. Ganon. Tapos, syempre, mag-offer na kami na, oh, you guys want coffee? So great for entertaining. And syempre, barista si Martin. Kahit na ako yung mahilig sa coffee. Siya yung gumagawa ng coffee for our visitors. Pag bumisita kayo dito sa amin and you want coffee, sabihin nyo lang si Martin and he will gladly make you one. And then for our milk, we use oat-side oat milk. Ito yung favorite namin. Tapos kagabi, nag-crave si Martin ng Coke Zero. So pumunta siya sa convenience store. We literally have no stocks. We have spring onion, dalandan, apples, and yung lulutuin kong cabbage. So mamaya, mag-grocery na kami. So na-prep ko na lahat ng ingredients ko. I'm just gonna make a potato cabbage skillet. It's inspired by an Irish dish. Pero usually, meron tong sausage or ham. But in this household, hindi kami masyado nagmi-meat. So, vegetarian version. Hindi kasi makita. And then, we're gonna add the star of the show, the potatoes. I'm just gonna put some salt, pepper, and the main seasoning, Cajun seasoning. It's gonna look like that. And then, we're gonna mix. Inadd ko na yung cabbage and I'm just gonna cook it until mag-wilt down siya. Here's the finished product, potato and cabbage hash. Martin is done with work and kakain ako ng breakfast. What can you say about my hash?
It's Irish.
Yeah, it's Irish.
It's cabbage, potatoes, spices. So bloody like it. It's very making me Irish.
Irish ba yan?
It's good cabbage you got here. So a lot of potatoes.
I think makakancel na tayo ng mga Irish. What's our agenda for today?
Agenda for today, I'll go to Palengke, Kamaning Market. It's gonna be my first time. And when I said it's gonna be my, I'm gonna stress on the word my first time because then doesn't wanna go to Palengke ever. So, ako na, mag-isa. I'm on my own. She's here, doesn't have work. It's Tuesday day, got nothing to do. She ain't joining.
I'm gonna do my nails.
Yeah, she's gonna do her nails kasi na-inspire siya with cat's eyes nails.
Yeah.
That's how it is. That's what you get.
Thank you to my husband.
That's what you get for getting married, eh? And that's me going to the palengke after work.
But I cook all morning.
Which is very therapeutic. After that, I'll do grocery.
I'll go with you to the grocery. Kasi guys, gusto ko pumunta sa grocery, tapos palagi akong pinipigilan ni Martin.
Kasi mangyayari kasi, pag punta ko sa palengke, malamang mabibili ko na yung gulay na pinapabili mo. You don't have to join me in the
No, for
grocery.
the dry goods. Like pasta.
Oh yeah, kasi she hates yung binili ko before. You were looking for pasta, right? Yung mga range ng pasta na sa mga 100 plus, ganyan, 90. May nakita akong pasta sobrang just the same. Natikman namin, it's just the same.
No!
And nasa 60 pesos lang siya. Same quantity, almost the same quality, SM bonus.
I'm loyal to Del Monte. Balducci. Yan, yung mga gusto ko. Tapos binili niya SM bonus.
Okay siya. She'll prevent me from doing those later.
Alis na si Martin para pumunta sa Kamuning Market. Good luck! Okay, keep me updated.
Yeah, well,
Oh, eco bags.
Eco bags.
Naka-backpack na si Martin. Diyan niya ilalagay yung mga vegetables na bibili niya.
Yes. Pag pupunta ka ng palengke, kailangan mukhang kumis ka. Dapat mukha akong magnanakaw.
Snatcher.
Mukha kang snatcher. Dapat ganun. Pinupormahan sa palengke. Hindi pwede. Ikaw yung mukhang ngis na tiyan, di ba? Dapat mukha akong magnanakaw, di ba?
Mukhang magnanakaw tapos naka-Dein shirt, naka-Lululemon. Ano ba yan? Naka-Adidas.
Sabi ko peke.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh my God, guys! Martin is back and I haven't done anything. Sabi ko sa kanya, hugasan ko yung plates and everything.
Medyo expected ko naman yun.
In fairness to me, nag-edit kasi ako nung corned beef na walang corned beef.
Oo, ano ka na?
So, ano mga nabili mo?
Everything in the list.
Wow! I'm so proud of Martin. Success siya. What's that? Wow!
Romaine,
Kangkong?
kangkong, bok choy,
Ang galing!
beans, eggplant, green chili, cedar, carrots, red tomatoes,
Wow!
handpicked by me. Look at them baked potatoes.
Ano baked potato?
Big,
Big. Akala ko
baked
baked.
potatoes. Zucchini, garlic, onion, broccoli, sitaw.
Wow! Complete!
And
May mga bonus ka pa. Bonus items.
banana.
Wow!
Ito yung tama, diba? Yung the one you're doing.
Yeah! Kasi dati may minibili si Martin, tapos ayoko yung banana na yun.
And malauhog na.
Malauhog.
Na
Buka juice! Wow! I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
You're a success.
Ano pala yung guy?
You're a success story.
Success story.
Napalengke ka na palagi.
You see the freshness of the veggies.
Oo.
This is it. Doon, ang konti na ang mahal na puro bulok pa.
Galit sa grocery. Guys, ang saya-saya ko to be in the grocery. Tapos, hindi maintindihan ni Martin why I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be in the grocery. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-grocery.
Hindi ka kasi nag-grocery.
Because palagi mo akong pinipigilan mag-grocery.
To save time.
Yeah, so I'm so happy to see ingredients. Sabi ko, gusto ko lang silang titigan. Ganon.
Oh, what? Look. Roasted sesame.
Oh, you want that?
Parang dressing.
Sige. Meron maliit. Meron ano.
I think this is not enough for us.
Yung small? Okay. Nandito ka.
ba ba?
Caesar. Caesar.
Caesar.
Our grocery.
Wow.
We're back in the condo with our groceries. Nagluluto na ako ng sinigang pag-akyat kasi gutom na ako.
Balak niyang kumain ng pandesal. Pinigilan ka
Sobrang
lang.
gutom na kasi. Sobrang gutom na ako. So, kamote chips na lang daw.
Bear.
Before I cook sinigang kasi hindi ko na kayang magluto ng sinigang ng ganito kagutom. Ang saya! Punong-puno na yung chiller namin with veggies. Kanina walang laman. Ngayon puno na and they're so fresh. Sabi ni Martin, never again sa grocery. Palengke na daw siya bibili ng gulay.
Always. Nung bumibili ako, lumaki yung mata ko. Like, oh my God. Fresh off picking. Next time makikita mo na napak-humor ko. Bagsa ka na mismo.
Welcome back to the condo. Welcome to husband and wife life. Okay, yan. Nagluluto na ako ng sinigang using yung mga vegetables na binili ni Martin from the palengke. I'm so hungry now.
Mr. Palenque is here.
Where's the, let's show them the kamote chips.
What
Or giant tub. We bought this giant tub of kamote chips sa British North. Yan. Tapos kinakain ko na siya kanina kasi gutom na gutom na.
Nakalahati niyo yung buong tub. Ayan o. Kalahati na siya o. Yan.
Parang di mga
Appetizer.
mga limang kamote na ba yun? Ito na siya, guys. Nilagay ko na yung kangkong. And then, meron lang siyang sitaw and talong. As usual, no meat again. My sinigang na gulay is ready. Hello. Thank you for breakfast.
Yes.
Ay, natakpan! Martin prepared breakfast for me. Explain your creation.
So it's basically just hard-boiled egg, Japanese mayo, seaweed on a side, a little bit of salt, freeze-dried strawberries.
Wow! I was supposed to just eat hard-boiled egg. Tapos sabi ni Martin, try it with Japanese mayo and seaweed. And he also made me oat milk latte. Good morning. Today is August 21. It's a holiday, so I don't have work again. I'm still in my duster. Talagang ano lang, slow morning. Ito yung mga nami-miss ko when there's work. I wish I had a slow morning like this. So I'm just gonna enjoy it. Guys, it's official. I'm in my housewife era. The speak housewife. Duster. You know what I'm doing? At 8:25 a.m. Magbablanch ako ng bok choy. Kasi ito yung biniling bok choy ni Martin sa palengke. Yung mga thoughts ko, baka mag-wilt na yung mga bok choy, sayang naman, hindi na fresh. So, i-blanch ko na para ready to cook. O, diba? At 8 a.m. Yun na yung mga concern ko. Things I never would have thought of before married life. Make sure to wash your vegetables kasi marami yan mga lupa-lupa. Ano na yung insides. Done blanching and they look so nice, so green. I think the titas of Manila all over the world will be so proud of me. So since it's a holiday, may mga home projects lang akong gustong gawin because finally I have the time for it. So like this one, I have my dresser here. Since white siya, so gusto ko siyang takpan para kapag nagmi-makeup ako, hindi malagyan ng makeup. So, we just have this, yung parang mga cabinet liner from IKEA. So, I just have to measure it. Ganyan. Oh, ganon. Ito yung mga moments na kailangan ko si Martin as a handyman. Ay, bitin! It's bitin! So, magkakaroon siya ng putol. Oh, man. Whatever. Sige, titake ko na lang. Anyway, yan. So, mga ganyang project. I hope I'm doing this correctly. Kung dalagot ako kay Martin. Sabihin niyo, why did you do it like that? But, whatever. Success. Ayan, sakto naman. I just need one more piece for this other side. Kasi, nasira na siya. Parang siya nabalatan. I don't remember what I put in here. Kung probably something hot. Maybe like a cup or a candle, ganon. Tapos, ayan, ayaw na matanggal. So, takpan na lang natin. It took me less than 5 minutes. I've been procrastinating it for months. So, kung kayo din, if you have house projects that you've been wanting to do, this is your sign to do it because it takes faster than you actually think. Umalis si Martin, but he's on his way back now. So, nagluluto na ako ng lunch namin. So, I'm making soy peanut noodles. Para siyang yung Charlie Chan sa Yellow Cab. And nagluto rin ako ng stir-fried bok choy in oyster sauce. Yung bok choy na binlunch ko kanina. So, this is actually my first time making this. So, So, we'll see. Good luck. Alam ko lang kasi mahilig si Martin sa Charlie Chan. So, I wanted to make my own version at home. So, I just have my aromatics. Onion, garlic, onion, ginger, leeks, and nilagay ko lang din ng chili para maanghang. Because we like it spicy. Ito na yung sauce. A little bit of pasta water. Then the noodles go in. Let's add some homemade chili garlic. Gawa to ni Nanay Virgie. Binigyan niya kami. Ooh, there. It's thickening up. Kahit medyo madami yung pasta water kasi I want the noodles to absorb the sauce. Kaya medyo dinami ako yung pasta water para maluto pa yung noodles in the watery sauce. In fairness, kaumin niya yung Charlie Chan. It's a success. Chef's kiss. Tinikman ko siya and I was so surprised. Nagulat ako na, luto ko to, naluto ko to, ang sarap. Mas masarap siya kaysa sa Charlie Chan. Hindi kasi yung Charlie Chan minsan, I find it too sweet. So, eto, since ako'y nagluto, I was able to make it to my preferred sweetness. And it's so good. I'm so excited for Martin to try this. I'm so excited to eat. And ito yung stir-fried bok choy ko, diba? Restaurant quality. Looks so good. So excited to eat. Ang tagal ni Martin. Gutom na ako. Wow! Sinurprise ako ni Martin! May pasalubong siyang chicken! Chinese-style chicken from Chowking. So unexpected. Wow! I'm so excited. I love chicken. Ang dami. Isang parang bucket yung binili ni Martin. I'm so happy.
Benefits of pagpag. Right there.
Ako po baka sa Chowking.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because I know you won't allow me in.
Yeah, kasi Martin came from a wake. Tapos, si Mama, tinuro siya sa akin na kapag galing ka daw sa lamay, sa living, ganun, dapat magpagpag. So, kailangan may stopover ka muna somewhere before going home para kung may sumama sa yung bad spirits or something, maiwan na sila doon. They won't go with you to your house.
Rest in peace, Mark Soriano.
Yeah.
You're my man.
Martin went to a wake of his batchmate. Anyway, it's time to eat now. Happy holiday! Because today's a holiday.
National.
Ninoy Akinade.
National Ninoy Akinade. Charlie, get out of the way. It's Den Chan now.
Den Chan.
Mas masarap siya kasi it has a kick eh. It has a kick as compared to Charlie Chan. Mas marami siyang spices and all that. So, wow. Wow.
So, ayan guys. Ang swerte ni Martin kasi masarap ako magluto.
I have to say, I have to agree.
Hey guys! It's a rainy morning and Martin and I are on our way to Makati kasi meron ulit akong hosting for the day. It's the reopening of Mitsuyado Seimen Jupiter.
And because of that, naka-rainy outfit kami. Look at me, my jacket.
Yeah.
And same time, Japanese school.
Later.
Japanese
we'll show our
schoolboy.
outfit. Hindi ako gumaganyan. Feeling Japanese.
Ano yan?
Okay, we'll see you there.
A rainy but wonderful morning to everyone. I'm Denise and I'm delighted to be your host for the grand reopening of Mitsuyado Seimen Jupiter. Why don't we give this big round of applause? So this branch opened its doors back in 2012, long before Superman became a trend here in the Philippines. And now the original house of Superman is back in a refreshed space, welcoming both loyal fans and first-timers.
biglang nag-crave ng... Anong na-crave mo?
Boba tea.
Boba tea.
Gnarly.
Like boba tea.
Super cat's eye obsessed si Martin.
Icons.
Icon siya. Icon siya, icon.
Icons.
Kaya napabili kami ng boba tea. Actually, malapit na kami sa condo. Pero nag-stop over lang kami for boba tea.
Gnarly.
Black sugar pearl oolong tea latte with soy milk, 0% sugar. Si Martin, brown sugar pearl latte with soy milk. Tapos nandito kami sa Yifang kasi dito sa Yifang, they can change the milk to soy milk. Kasi pag regular milk, hindi kami makapag-milk tea. Boba tea.
Gnarly.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and their life is better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could teach you.
Good morning, guys! Today is a Monday, but it's a holiday! And it's very rare that Martin and I both don't have work on a Monday. Kaya kami mag-vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey everybody, what's up? Monday is the new day that you should look forward to. If walang pasok.
If walang pasok. So it's a fun Monday today. Kasi walang work. And our agenda for today is surprising. Martin, what's your agenda today?
Our agenda is breakfast and practice dance challenges.
Kasi nag-upload kami ni Martin ng video dancing milkshake, yung Gap ad ng Cat's Eye choreo. And a lot of people like it. So we're like, okay, let's give the people what they want. So we're gonna do more for fun. Pero for fun lang din talaga siya kasi na-enjoy namin ni Martin.
And to start off the day, we're gonna have kiwi.
For me, I'm making an omelet with tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, and olives. The olives is for Martin. Tingnan nyo gano'n siya ka-addict sa olives. He bought this giant jar of olives that's as big as my face.
Hindi kasi, in terms of, olives, grams per, cost, half the price siya compared to the smaller bottles. So, this is the best deal. That's it. I'm just being smart. And yes, I'm addicted to olives. So this is the egg progress so far. It's looking good. And we're gonna eat this with whole wheat toast. Here is our bread. Tinost na ni Martin. Ang galing pala ng Breville Smart Oven na to. I love it kasi siya na yung nagde-decide kung ilang minutes. So, for example, yan, toast. And then, pipiliin nyo how dark you want it. So, kung 3, ganon. Tapos, ilalagay nyo na rin kung ilang slices. So, like, kami, we had 4 slices. Tapos, 3 darkness. Tapos, pag you press start, ayun na, siya na yung nagde-decide kung ilang minutes. To get the perfect doneness. Yan. O, diba? Perfect. Here's breakfast. Toast. Tapos, finold ko na lang yung omelet para maluto siya all the way. The kiwi. And then, condiments. I'm gonna have some lingonberry jam from IKEA for my toast. Tapos, yan. May kanya-kanya kaming hot sauce ni Martin. Ako, I like Tabasco. Tapos siya, ito yun sa kanya. Yung Sigara and mustard. And syempre coffee. Let's eat! Proof na kagabi pa kami nagpa-practice ng dance. Minove pa namin yung center table para may space kami to dance. Tapos yung ginagaya namin is a tutorial in front of the TV.
You can have anyone else you wanna do. I'm begging you. Hands up, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella. La, la. Back off from my fella. Gabriella, back off, Gabriella. La, la. 'Cause you can have anyone else you wanna do. I'm begging you. Hands off, Gabriella. Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella. you taste this.